Let's show that by building an agent that actually has multiple steps to interrupt. In this next section, we'll write an agent that writes unit test cases, and we'll run it against this price calculator module on screen. There are just 4 simple functions here that calculate discounts, taxes, shipping, and total costs. We'll leave the main Python file behind and create a new one called agent.py. This time we'll start off with the imports so we don't have to worry about them. And then do you remember the next step? That's right, we got to put the tools in. This tool is a little bit more complex, so let's tackle it together. The idea is that this writes test cases for every test. We get the function name being tested, and then the AI model generates all the code. All the tool does is write the test code to a file. Next up, let's define the agent. It's not much different from the last file. I've just renamed it to testbot and given it the new tool name. Finally, we've got to run the agent. The code's broken up into 3 parts. Part number 1, we're writing the imports for the test file. Part number 2, we're reading the code file. And then part number 3, we're actually starting the agent. This prompt is a bit longer than the last one, so let's cover the key parts. First, we're asking the agent to write tests for each function below. Now below, we're writing the entire Python file source code. So that shows up here. And then we're telling it explicitly call this tool once per function with the function name and test code. We want raw Python, not Markdown. Now I think you're starting to get the pattern here. We save our file, open the terminal once again, and then use uv-run to run the agent. It takes about 15 seconds. You should see agent testbot completed. There's now a new file in your workspace called test price calculator. Inside of it, you'll see test cases for each of the 4 functions in the original price calculator module. And if you go back to the agent span server dashboard and click into the new execution, you'll see a new type of run. All 4 tool calls were done in parallel. And you can click into any of them to see the actual test code generated. This is a pretty resourceful way to debug your agent if something goes wrong.